Hello guys, I am Anjali Daima from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My topic name is Work from Home. So let us see the introduction part of Work from Home. Work from home describes work being done remotely instead of an office. Work from home gives flexible working hours to the employee as well as the job for the employer is done with an ease. The acronym WFH is used as a nickname for the concept. Many organizations transferred their employees from the office to a work from home model during the corona global pandemic. So let us see what are the employer benefits in work from home. Employer get benefits by the getting work done more efficiently from the employees. This job is more attractive and enhanced for the employees. Employer get benefit because the employees will not take leaves. There will be less absenteeism. Employees' performance will be improved. Employee benefits. Employees get more flexibility through work from home. It is a creative job for them. The more work is done, employee will feel less tired while doing work from home. Employees' financial expenses will be reduced and there will be less need of holiday. So let us see the environmental benefits now. It will reduce petroleum or gasoline consumption. There will be less pollution, no traffic problem so that the work can be done on time. Less accidents and it will reduce the highway charges. Disadvantages of work from home. At home, we can be distracted by our family members. It will affect our eyes because of more use of laptop or mobile, difficulty in monitoring performance, and staff feeling isolated. Yes, staff members are not together, so there is a problem of contacting again and again. Cost of working from home is increased and poor broadband speeds. Yes, there should be a proper Wi-Fi connection or a mobile data should be in full range. Information security risk. Yes, our information can be leaked easily, and not all jobs suit for working at home. Yes, some jobs are done physically. So, here is the conclusion. According to me, work from home is a better opportunity for employees as well as for the employer. Because of the following reason, it develops productivity, communication skill, and more technical knowledge. There will be no conflict between the employees, and there is no problem of traveling. So it reduces the absenteeism. Work from home. It is a virtual office, as you can see on the screen. So here is a small quote. Working from home is a worth $100,000 just on its own because of the freedom and because of the time saving. So thank you for listening.